So the hubbub of 350 hungry JavaScript minds, right? What a nice sound that is for this time of the morning. Everyone sounds like they're full of energy. Has everyone had enough coffee? One guy on the speaker's table, obviously. Anyone else had enough coffee yet? It's pretty good. I've had 3. But it is early, so that will get better. Who was here for some of the workshops yesterday? And you came back, that's a good sign. Everyone shout out their favorite workshop. That's good. They were all equally brilliant. I didn't expect anything else. So thanks very much for coming down here today. We've got some really, really good topics, as you all know. We're in for a really fun day. We've got a little bit of housekeeping I just want to get through. Both of the rooms, there are toilets in the back corners. That's pretty self-explanatory, right? If you need the toilet, go to one of those places. I think there's one further down the corridor as well if they get busy. They're a little bit cold, so bring a jacket if you're going to be there a while. So if you need to evacuate on that topic, there will be some whoops and some beeps, and someone will escort you from the building. Not just you, we'll all be escorted. You know what I mean, right? Fire drills. As with all conferences, there is a code of conduct. It's a pretty standard event code of conduct. Be nice to people. If you see something that you think is inappropriate, then call it out. Or if you're not comfortable doing that, you can come and speak to one of the volunteers wearing a shirt like this, or there's a form on the website that you can submit to. Now, this day is not just about presentations, it's about conversation, it's about community, it's about collaboration. And of course, the way we do that is sitting down and chatting to people, and as we're all devs, more likely just social media and Slack. Right? Why would you want to chat to the person sitting next to you when you can Slack them? So at the back of the program, you'll find some QR codes to join the various social media things. If you haven't already, I advise getting on definitely the Slack channel. So you can see the details there, you can scan that and jump straight in. There's a couple of important channels there when you join. One is the announcements. So if there's anything important that's happening throughout the day, there'll be a message in there. After each session as well, we're going to have a quick Q&A. So if you've got questions that come up during a talk, there's a channel called Questions. Post them in there, tag the speaker, and then we'll try and answer as many questions as we can during the changeover. If we don't get to all of them, the speakers might be able to reply a little bit later on as well. If you are going to chat on social media, the hashtag is components19. I think that's right. I've already misused that once this morning. Yeah, and there's a Wi-Fi, Marvel free Wi-Fi. So you can jump on that. You need to register, but there's your free internets for the day. One last thing, you will have noticed, of course, the coffee that I've mentioned out there, but there's also some really great partners that are supporting our event like this. We can't put on events like this without our sponsors and partners, and of course without our speakers and without you. So just like we want to support everyone by coming to the talks, by listening, by engaging, we also want to support our partners by going and visiting their booths. So a few of them do have door prizes. There's some pretty great prizes to be had. Go and chat to them to register. We've got my screen going to sleep. Do I want to make Evernote better? Take a survey. Not now. So Culture Amp are giving away $1,000 for education. You can use that on any educational thing that you like, conference or software. Red Wolf and Roche are giving away an Apple Watch. GitLab are giving away a Google Home Hub. We'll be drawing the prizes at the end of the day, so go and visit them at some point throughout the day. Have a chat, register, win something great. So that's all from me. We're going to have some wonderful speakers first up today. In this room, we've got Rodolfo, all the way from Germany. He's going to be talking about how cinema, React, and styled components are alike. The dream of a component that can be used between multiple places, styled, fit in seamlessly. I'm excited about that one. Over in the other room, in the Iron Man room, we've got Ivy Renderer for Dummies, with Gerard, developer advocate from AWS in London. So If you haven't already planned your day, you've got about 30 seconds to work out where you want to be. Go and scramble, find a seat, and we'll be back for the first presentations in a couple of minutes. Have a great day, everyone.